Good morning and welcome back. Gorilla Man's Garage. We're outside today. It's a beautiful winter day today. It's about a -6, -7 degrees Celsius, nice and cold. We did a waypoint mission with this DJI Mini 5 Pro a little while ago. We did another one, but we made it this time on waypointmap.com. So it puts a whole whack more of waypoints in it, but it makes it a perfect circle. So we made the angle of the gimbal 20 degrees downwards, so you just should get a slight bit of the horizon. It's going to go around the lake, see what it's like. It's crystal blue sky. Only thing is, it's a little cold. Okay, so right now we've got 4K at 30. That's everything we need. We're going to get it up, and here we go. Now the only thing about this is I've got my little Osmo Nano here. The Osmo Nano is really good, but it just had another update that fixed some more bugs or whatever, I don't know. But so you got to start from the beginning again. Every time you get an update on these things, you got to start like you're doing it fresh. Anyway, what happens is I'm doing a screen recorder here, but when I go into my waypoint mission here, okay, we're going to go into the waypoint mission. And it's Boyd Lake 2. And you'll notice there's 118 waypoints. That's too many for this screen recorder, I think. We're going to give it a try, see when it cuts out, what happens. Something's going to happen, I don't know what. On the last one here, 18, we've got it stop recording, global speed. Everything's there, okay. We've got it such that it returns to home, continues, all that kind of stuff, 4 meters per second. Should be about an 8-minute flight, 8.5-minute flight. There we go. And we're just gonna get it up and going. Okay, let's get up there to begin with. Let's go forward. We got 4K at 30. Here we are, and up we go. We got up at 60 meters, I think, is what our waypoint mission is at. Just gonna have a look at that. There we go. Before we get going, let's just look and see what one of these is at. 60 meters, yep. Okay, so we're up at 60 meters. That's good. Let's go. Boom. See how long this recording lasts. I don't know how long. I can bring that down a bit. We're just going to see what happens here. Here we go. It's going out there. There's lots of ice on the lake right now. As you can see, it's really snow covered. Okay, I got to be there more. Okay. Just got to look at this a little bit down there. There we go. In case we lose it. Okay, it should be going to the number 1 at some point, which would be at the very top of it. Pretty soon. Up at 60 meters, and we're out 400 and... Let's put these antennas up, just because. There we go. Our antennas are up. There we go, and it should start recording. See, just a sliver there. Here we go. There we go. It's very slow to react because maybe it won't react. I think somebody on the other side, the snowplow, hit the guy's garbage. Oops. I wonder if it wrecked the bin. Oh well. It won't shrink anymore. Oh, there we are. Okay. Up. There we go. Where is it? Oh, it's up about the 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock point. And we're still recording, apparently. That's pretty good. Okay. Yeah, I think he hit the garbage. But that's okay. He fixed it. Now, with this cold weather, you hit one of these, what they call them, these Herbie-Kirbies with a snowplow. Chances are it could disintegrate it. you never know because it's so cold. But we're gonna see. Still going strong. Where is it now? I can't really see where it is, but something should be telling me. Oh, 37. It's at 38. Oh, there it is. Okay, it's about the 5-minute mark. Or the 5 o'clock position, 4 o'clock position. There we go. So it says it's going to take 5 minutes to do the whole thing. Okay, sorry, about a 5-minute flight, which is good. I want to get this video in under the 10-minute mark, so that should be good. And this should be a good test. And that lake looks just so smooth and good, but yeah. So it will either be this one I'll use or the other one I use. So I'll put a link up to the last one we did of Boyd Lake in the snow. And don't forget to look at my other video that I did with the Femi in the blizzard. Well, it was quite a bit of snow anyway. That was quite exciting. Yeah. So here we are. And I haven't seen any updates to the Mini 5 Pro in a while. But I'll tell you one thing, it's getting cold out here. My hands are getting cold. It should be down about the 6 o'clock. Yep. What are we looking at here? Where's my... I'm beginning to like this little nano thing here. Because you can have a look and see what you're looking at. I can look over there, see what's out there. I guess it didn't damage the Herbie Kirby. So there we go. And there we go. So it's still recording, which is really good, because the last time we did one that was over like 134 waypoints, it cut out the video. It wouldn't let me do the video, the screen video, and record at the same time. Wouldn't let me do the two things, but this time it's letting me, so that's interesting. Okay. Yeah. So as I said, there was an update to the Osmo Nano as well. And it was 1650 on November the 26th, 1650. And I put it in mine and I had all kinds of problems, jitteriness, but I think it was just a bad download. Then, a couple of days ago, apparently they came up with a new one, 1654, which altered some bugs, but they won't tell me what they changed. But they're saying it enhanced stability. There we go. That stopped the screen recorder. So we're about halfway through, I guess it was, and it stopped the screen recorder. We're down to 101 of 118. So we should be up around 11 o'clock mark. There we are, yeah. So it lasted pretty long, and we're running out of battery, 27%. Because I didn't charge the battery either. I figured there was enough to do it on this one. So we're at number 11, 12. We should have enough. Yeah, 27%. We'll get back with about 10%. So that's pretty good. Here we go. Number 16, 17, 18. There you go. And it should stop. There we go. Oop, stop the video. Return to home. Let's have a look at coming home here. Boom. See if we can get this on. We'll get this on some kind of a screen here. There we go. I guess I could take a video of it, right? Let's take a video of this coming home. There we go. Of that part anyway. There we go. We're down to 20% or so. Where is it coming? Oh, there it is. Bright blue sky. Awesome. Here it comes. Pretty soon when it comes down, we'll watch it come down on our Nano. Here we are. See if we can see it now. Ooh. Nope. It was off by, we'll say it was off by a foot. No, not even that. Off by 6 inches. It would have fallen over into the snow. Coming up. And I'll get under it here. Okay. Up it goes and down. Bingo. Okay. That's it. So this is the DJI Mini 5 Pro and a waypoint mission created by waypointmap.com. Well, till next time, take care. Watch all the videos I posted and enjoy. Remember, hit the like, hit the subscribe, ring the bell, and we'll see you next time.